Hello students, this is question number 9 of IOQM 2025 and 26, and the question here it says the height and base of a closed right circular cylinder are positive integers and total surface area is a numerically equal in its volume. Now if volume is k pi where k is the positive integer, then the smallest possible value of k is. Now the total surface area of the cylinder will become equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi RH, and this is going to be equal to its volume, means this is going to be equal to pi r square h. So we can see this pi and pi is going to get cancelled. So from here I can write that this is going to be equal to 2 times of r plus 2 times of h. This is going to be equal to r into h. Now this equation can be factorized also by this is minus RH by adding a 4 and adding a 4 on both the sides. Now, if I'm going to factorize this equation, then we can get that r minus 2 into h minus 2. This is going to be equal to 4. Now, if it is going to be equal to 4, then I can write that r minus 2, this is being equal to 1. Then in that case, h minus 2, this is going to be equal to 4. Now, this is the first one. Now, the second one will be this r minus 2, this is going to be equal to minus 1, then h minus 2, this is going to be equal to minus 4. This is the second one. Now, if I'm going to see for the next one, this is r minus 2, this is going to be equal to minus 2, and h minus 2, this is going to be equal to minus 2. So, this is the third one. Now, the cases which we have over here as these, and along with that, we have r minus 2 that will be equal to 2, and h minus 2 can be equal to 2. So these are the two other cases as well. So for r minus 2 is equal to 1, or for these cases, we can see the possible values for r comma h. From here, that will come out to be equal to either 3 comma 6 or 6 comma 3 or 4 comma 4. So by solving these values, so the minimum possible value of r square h that we can get from here, that will be 54, and that we are going to get if we are going to take the value of r as 3 and h as 6. Therefore, 54 is the final answer, and the same has been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.